make a movie. You play the starring role and I'll direct you on where to go.
Welcome back. Today I'm gonna be showing you guys how to make your lace front look very natural without doing baby hairs. Okay, I'm using a wig from RPGhair.com, of course. Yes, you can see that it is pre-plucked, but today, like, one of the main parts of this video is just me showing you guys how I did further customization. So I'm going in with some water. I'm just wetting the area that I'm going to be plucking, and then I'm going to proceed. I'm going to take my rat tail comb. All right, so what I do is I kind of section off a thin line there in the front, like I do it in sections. So I start from one side, then the middle, then the next side. So as you can see, you see the lace? Yes, it's bleached perfectly, and it matches my skin tone well.
We'll make a movie. You play the starring role and I'll direct you on where to go. We'll make a movie. Up and down, around, baby. We'll make a movie. You play the starring role and I'll direct you on where to go. We'll make a movie. Up and down, around, baby.
After I do that section, and I go again and I part out another section, but this time I do not tweeze as much as I did in the front. It's kind of, you know, it's way less, but we want a nice graduation so that everything can just flow and it doesn't look like, oh, we just tweezed one line off here and then everything is just straight, if you understand what I'm trying to say. So this is how that side looked that I tweezed, and then this is the side that isn't tweezed. Well, I didn't go in with further tweezing as yet, or further customization as yet. So you see the difference, right? Okay, so now I just proceeded to doing the other side and the middle as well, and this is how everything looks. You know, it's not too precise. What I move on to do is just taking off the extra lace, and I don't do it in a perfect line. I just kind of follow the hairline and how I kind of tweezed everything, and I get it as close to the hairline as possible without cutting off any of the hair. You want to be careful with that. We'll just go ahead and try to just lay all the hair in the front without creating baby hair. So this part is very crucial. I take my hot comb, and then you also want your holding spray, and this is from Luster's Pink. All right, and I'm just gonna spray each section that I'm working on at a time. I comb through it, and then I proceed to comb through it again with the hot comb, and this just helps everything to lay flat and just go in one direction. You see how nicely everything is looking there? Very nice, right? All right, and I take my fingers and just apply a generous amount to my natural hairline here, and this is what helps the wig to lay in the front. All right, I proceed to just applying the wig to my head, and this is how we're looking. Pretty nice, right? And it's not even laid yet. Yes, so I pretty much just pull down on that. I use the end part of my comb to kind of help everything to lay, and then I take this little scarf, yes, and this is what I'm gonna leave on the edges for like around 10 minutes to just help everything to lay better and get really secured. And then after that 10 minutes, I go ahead and remove it, and voila, looking pretty nice, right? It looks very melted, and it just looks really flawless. I love it. As you can see, the lace matched my skin perfectly, and this is how it came. All I had to do was really go in and you know, tweeze some more hair out, but this is what we have. I absolutely love the results. Hope you guys love it too, and I hope this was informative enough for you guys. If it was, let me know. And you know, don't forget to give this video a thumb up if you guys decide to go ahead and get this pre-plucked 360 Brazilian wig. The link is in the description box. This is it for today, so I'll see you guys in my next video. Until next time, I'm your girl Petite. Bye.
We'll make a movie. You play the starring role and I'll direct you on where to go.